welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about work, energy and power. Before we started, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. Firstly, we know about work. Work is said to be done only when a body acted upon by a force move actually through some distance in the direction of the force. Work is the product of force and the distance travel in the direction of force. Work is represented by W. By this line, W is equal to F into S, or W is equal to F cos theta S. The amount of work done depends upon the force applied, F, the displacement of a body, S, angle between the direction of force and displacement, cos theta. The SI unit of work is joule, and work is a scalar quantity. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. Nature of work: positive work and negative work. What is positive work? Positive work means the force is parallel to displacement. It means theta is greater than equal 0 degree and theta is less than equal 90 degree. Examples of positive work: a body falls freely under gravity, the work done is positive. Negative work: negative work means the force opposite to displacement. It means theta is greater than 90 degree and theta is less than 180 degree. Let's take some example of negative work. When a person lifts a body from the ground, the work done by the force of gravity is negative. When a body is made to slide over a rough surface, the work done by the frictional force is negative. And also, when a positive charge is moved toward another positive charge, the work done by electrostatic force between them is negative. What is zero work and when it happens? Under three conditions, work done becomes zero. If the force is perpendicular to the displacement, if there is no displacement, if S is equal to 0, then W is equal to F into 0 is equal to 0. If there is no force acting on the body, it means F is equal to 0 and W is equal to 0 into S is equal to 0. Let's take some example of zero work. When a coolie travels on a horizontal platform with a load on his head, work done against gravity by the coolie is zero. The force is perpendicular to the displacement. When a body moves in a circle, the work done by the centripetal force is always zero. When a person tries to displace a wall or heavy stone by applying a force and it does not move, the work done is zero. Energy: the energy of a body is defined as its capacity for doing. It is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of energy is joule. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg and 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. Energy has various forms such as mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, magnetic energy, sound energy, chemical energy, and nuclear energy. Mechanical energy is in two forms. First one, kinetic energy, and second, potential energy. What is kinetic energy? The energy of a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. If a body of mass m is moving with velocity v, the kinetic energy of bodies k is equal to half mv square. Since the kinetic energy of a body depends on its mass and velocity, therefore, heavy bodies moving with high velocity have more kinetic energy than slow moving bodies of small mass. If the mass of body is doubled, its kinetic energy also gets doubled. And if the velocity of a body is doubled, then kinetic energy becomes 4 times because velocity k is equal to half mv square v की whole power 2. What is potential energy? The energy of a body due to its position or change in shape is known as potential energy. If a body of mass m is raised to a height h from the earth's surface, the potential energy of the body is equal to mgh.
What is power? Power is defined as the rate of doing work. Power is equal to work done W upon time taken T. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt and 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates from